Attention, restricted for young only. Any citizen that views this message will be immediately amputated. Recently, Don, a citizen called Gordon, has now become a part of the resistance. Protection team, please amputate citizen immediately.
Hey, have you heard about the announcement that the admin made? Yeah, I did. He was just informing us to keep an eye on Gordon. But actually, he is Gordon Freeman. Man, shut your fucking...
Hey, I found the AR-2.